Hello guys, welcome to the channel. In this video we're going to be talking about objects in JavaScript. So objects are used to represent objects in real life. So the easiest way to define an object is using the object literals. So we can say var, and then let's name object, and then inside of curly braces, here inside we can use the key value pair. And for example, let's name this object user, and then we can say here name, and then let's give it name of mod, and we can say age of 20, and then here if we log our object, user object here, and as we can see here in the console screen, we have our object. And we can access properties inside of this object using the dot notation. If you say dot, and then here as you can see we have the name and age property, we can say the name, and here as we can see the name property, which is mod, was printed on the console. And we can also access the age, and as we can see here our result is being printed on the console. And we can also define functions inside of objects. And for example, we can say, let's name our function say hi, and then we can assign it to a function, and this function would return hi, and then plus user, which is our object, plus name. And now if we execute our function here, we can say hi, and then use the parentheses to execute this function. And now as we can see here, we're getting hi mod, and also we can make this function more reusable. So if we can get the name as a parameter, and then here we will put out the name. So we can say mod, and then we are getting hi mod. And if we change this to, for example, John, we will get hi John. Okay, so this is how we can use functions inside of object. And another thing is that we can define properties on the fly. So we can say user.score, for example, and let's assign it to 5. And then if we were to access score, we will get 5. Okay, so we are not limited to these predefined properties. Now we can also add any properties on the fly to our objects. So that's it for this video. See you in another one.